And there we go. Oh my God, guys, we just hit take profit on this trade. $882 in profit. Congratulations to everybody who's following along. And that's exactly how we do it. That's how we do it, guys. That is how we do it. Let's see. Okay, over this month so far, let's see what we're at. All right, so this month has been a little slow. So if we look, these are all the trades I did for this month, but this month I'm only up so far $8,400. So you know, it's kind of low for this account right now, but it's okay because we had a little bit of a drawdown. So I'm only up $8,400 this month. But you guys know, being consistent, doing this every single day, we will continue to grow. Now we're just looking for the next entry, and guys, this was such a great trade. If you look, the super trade actually went red right there. But how did we know earlier? It's because of the range bars. All right, so the only way we were able to tell what's happening on that trade was because of the range bars, because we were in an uptrend, and as soon as we saw the reversal, we started to come down. I entered that trade, and there we go. We literally made over $800, almost $900 so far, and I've literally only been live for 14 minutes, guys. Can you believe it? I've only been live for 14 minutes, and we've done almost $1,000 in profit. There's literally nowhere else where you will get this high level trading information knowledge without having that that paywall barrier, because I never ever will charge you guys for anything. Actually, you guys should never ever pay for anything. Pay to learn, never ever pay to learn, never ever pay for anything. Now everybody is wondering where I'm trading. So most people in the questions in the comments are asking where I'm trading and how to get the range bars. Guess what? Right here, go right now to godoabato.com. They're licensed and regulated in multiple countries, so it's completely safe and secure. I've been using them for over a year and a half now. I know thousands of people who are using them, deposits and withdrawals of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Everyone has had such a great experience with them because they're so quick, so fast, and you can trade all the markets here. So guys, go right now, get your accounts funded and verified, and then join me every single day, because these trades I'll be doing live. And Jay Chavez, I'll be going over my strategy right now. So basically, I just follow the range bars, and if you guys want access to the range bars, they're on our website. If you want access to it, just join the Discord in my bio. Go to the link in my bio, join the Discord community, then go to the how to start section. It's all there. And then the second thing is, join the Discord community and then get your Abato account set up, and then join me every single day. Now, guys, while we wait for the next trade, I want to go over something with you. Now, here's the thing. This is something I'll go through one step at a time, all right? Now, let's say we just entered our trade here, okay? So I'm going to go